we about to review this wig. I don't know if it's a wig review or if it's just I'm just installing my wig. So I just ordered this wig from Amazon and I haven't even taken it out of the bag yet because I wanted y'all to get like the fresh, you know what I'm saying, the goings-ons. This wig was like I don't know how much it was, I kind of forgot, but boom, right there, it was this much. And I'm like, that's not bad. Some of the girls in the pictures looks really cute with it. So yeah, in the bag we have the wig, but they included some more stuff in here. Okay, they gave me some Huda Beauty, these some lashes up in here. That's what's up. I love when they send lashes, you know. I love when they send little gifts, y'all. That's becoming like more and more common I'm seeing with the wigs that I get. Wig cap, a little mesh one though. Why would they give me mesh? Okay. And a little thank you card that I'm not about to read, but you're welcome. We gotta get into these details, boo. Okay, so I see that they kind of like cut me some little baby hairs right here. That's cool. That's cute. I like that. Ooh. Oh, is that shed? Is this? But you know what? I expect it from wigs like this. I'm not even gonna lie. At this price point and being that it is synthetic, I kind of just be expecting it. But I've had really good synthetic wigs that don't shed, but that was it. That was it. Okay, I'm not gonna say that it's a sheddy wig. I'm getting a couple more, but I'm kind of being rough. Fresh out of the pack. I guess I'm not too mad, but I'm gonna just see how it stands over time. The lace is pretty soft. I was gonna wash it and everything, but it's like about to be 1 in the morning. I want to see how it does fresh out, but I always wash wigs first. This was like 13 by 4. It's like 13 by 2 because that ain't no 4. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my wig cap on and we're gonna see what it's hitting for, you know what I'm saying?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Oh, look at it, already trying to get tangled. Oh, I might need to keep a little comb 24/7 with this one. You know, I like to have Beyonce moments where I'm just, what, and then I might do it like you think you should put a ring. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie, I'm seeing, based on the like some previous wigs that I've had, I can see the potential. Y'all, this right here, cause this lace got me feeling like I'm getting married, like, you know, it's like the veil and just lift it up and kiss the bride. All day long.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else. You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is 1 in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is 1 in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for your flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
Okay, y'all, I'ma say it. Not too shabby. It kind of did its thing for the price point for it being full synthetic. You know what I'm saying? It really comes down to the lace. That's why it's recommended for you to get like HD. This wig is not gonna be forever. I mean, you probably could take care of it, but it do shed a lot. So I feel like it might shed its life away. It might last like, I don't know, maybe a year. I mean, you know, if you don't do too much manipulation, but you're gonna have to comb it out because it do tangle too. So this is like little fun wig till you get your either less tangly synthetic or you get your human hair wig. So I feel like it's worth what I spent. I'm not giving helmet, which is good. That's just tribute to, you know what I'm saying, my hairstylist skills, which I'm not a hairstylist, y'all. I do this strictly just for myself at home when I need to not look like a crackhead no more, you feel me? Bird. Yeah, girl. I do feel like a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I'm so fantastic. This hair is plastic. Love y'all so much. Hey, don't skip this part. You better like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought. Let me know how you feel about, you know, the install and everything. Got some real ones for sticking through this.
Let me cater to you. I wanna let you know, girl, that you know that I admire what you do. You know, for me to reassure you, my life would be purposeless without you. If I wanted, I'm gonna ask you. You fly me to be there, challenge me for the better for you. Let me cater to you. Say you go, turn my game on. I'll push you again. Let me cater to you.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you?